Mower won't turn over. Makes a high-pitched noise. Battery is good. Thanks.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. Can you tell me what the voltage was reading when you were actually trying to start the engine? It could be one of several different things: bad ground somewhere in the system, bad starter, battery not holding at least 8 VDC when it is under a load attempting to start the machine, engine locked up or tight, carburetor leaking fuel into cylinder causing a hydraulic when you try to start it.
I'm at work now, but I measured at starter the voltage was plus 4 volts DC when ignition was engaged. I'll be home around 1 p.m. Eastern.
That needs to be at least 8 VDC, therefore it sounds like the battery is bad and not holding enough voltage under a load. It could test good with no load, but then when you put a load on it, it fades. You most likely have a bad cell in the battery. Once you get home you can check it out and come back to our conversation to continue.
Bought battery on my way home. Same result. Makes a high whining pitch when I try to start it.
Can you turn the engine over by hand by use of either the flywheel on top of the engine or the pulley on the bottom? Did you check any of the other things that I mentioned in my prior response?
Carburetor is good, I think. We'll try to turn engine over shortly. Thanks.
Let me know what you find once you had a chance to check the other suggestions that I provided.
Removed spark plug and flywheel cover, used socket and motor freed up. Put back together and fired right up. Oil level was good and semi-clean. What do I do to prevent this? Thank you very much. Besides trying to take the easy way out and wasting $42, this is a great service.
It sounds like the starter gear locked into the flywheel possibly. No real way to prevent it other than to make certain that you maintain a fully charged battery. The only other reason that I can think of that would cause it is if the carburetor is leaking a little fuel through it that would get in on top of the piston and created a hydraulic which after turning the engine manually would go away. I would double check to make certain that the carburetor isn't leaking while sitting. The easiest way to tell is after it has been sitting a day or two, remove the air filter and look down into the intake. If you see fuel puddled there, then the carburetor is leaking. Thank you, it has been a pleasure to assist you. Please take a moment to rate your experience.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.